Today I will discuss with you how to plan MRCP T2 hast coronal planning. So first of all, you can see here the protocol. At first open protocol and showing here the image. This one the sagittal image, and this one is coronal image, and this one is transverse. So coronal plan will be on the sagittal and transverse images. Now I nicely set up the planning. At first check the image and set up the trigger now nicely, and look here the parameters. And now I check the transverse image. Look here, this is the liver and this is the pancreas right now. And look here, now this patient is gallbladder absent right now. Okay, is and everything now fine. Now I again check the image. Look right now. Okay, everything is fine, and showing here the parameters. Now I check the parameters. Okay, now everything is fine, and finally showing here the image. This is the T2 hast coronal image. Look here, how very nice image. Look, thank you so much for everyone for watching my video.